So the first dryland rotation we looked at had been 50% low residue crops, 50% high residue crops. The second one was 66% high residue and 33% low residue, 2 out of 3. This rotation initially was 3 years out of 4, 75%, and then several years ago we added one more, and it's now 80% high residue crops. So we do 2 cereal crops in a row. This would have been oats last year, and then winter wheat this year. It will go to sorghum next year, or milo, if you prefer to call it that, and then corn the year after that, and then 1 year of broadleaf crops. And there's a substantial difference in the soil here compared to what we've seen before. It has a much darker color, and you see all that really granular structure. When I do this, it just looks like a chocolate cake, more or less. This is dry land yet. It responds more slowly on dry land than it would on irrigated or higher rainfall areas. This is a mixed grass prairie area originally, because it doesn't have as much rainfall to deal with. But these are all the same soil type. These are all Dornas. There's a little earthworm setting up house in there. That's some of our soil biology. Let's see what the roots look like. One of the things you see is the soil kind of clings to the roots because the mycorrhizal fungi and stuff is kind of interfacing the soil and the roots. So after harvest, we'll strip or head this wheat, and then we probably will have a cover crop growing here later this summer, like Sam was talking about.